Today you are going to learn a very nice poem of your book, The First Flight for class 10th. The title of this poem is Fire and Ice. This poem has been written by a very well-known American poet, Robert Frost. We have read some other poems written by him like Dust of Snow and The Road Not Taken. When his poems could not be published in America, he went to England and became a very famous poet there. Later, he returned to America. He is known for his realistic views of human life in his poems. He wrote about rural life's social and philosophical themes. Now, listen the poem. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to see that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. The poet has used symbolism in this poem. Fire is a symbol of desire or high ambition, and ice is a symbol of hate. Both these negative human traits are dangerous for all of us. Now, see the first stanza. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. In about all the religions, people believe that this world will be destroyed one day. Some believe that it will be ended in fire, it will be burned completely. Some believe that everyone will be frozen in ice and will die. In this stanza, the poet says that he has tasted of desire, which is as powerful as fire. This desire or high ambition will be the cause of destruction of this world. Now, see the second stanza. But if it had to perish twice, I think enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. Here, to perish means to destroy. The poet says that in the condition of destroying of world again or two times, ice, which is symbol of hate, is also as powerful as fire. And here suffice means sufficient. And the last line says that hatred is sufficient to end this world. In this way, this poem gives us a message that we should not be over ambitious and not spread negative ideas like hatred, greed, intolerance, etc. We should love each other. That's all for today. Goodbye.